Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a super handy topic for Lightroom Classic users. It's all about keyboard shortcuts and how to quickly find them for each module. Did you know you can easily view shortcuts specific to the module you are working in? For example, when you're in the library module, just go to the help menu and select library module shortcuts. This will show you all the shortcuts for library module. Even faster, use the shortcut Command+/ on Mac or Control+/ on Windows. Isn't this helpful? Let us see all the shortcuts at once. Let's go over some of the shortcuts that I use most often.